Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded and requested collection of fancy borderless soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight, soft in nature and very comfortable to wear. Beautiful buttas are running throughout the body along with a running or contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders directly DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Please note our payment mode is through online, and also you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. The links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.